In Mastercam 2024, Solid Hole has new features aimed at making hole modeling easier and more powerful. This video will show you some of the capabilities in Solid Hole, like edge treatments, reversing the hole direction, and exploding hole operations. We have been tasked with machining the radar mount part. We were given an original drawing and have modeled it in Mastercam, but just as we are about to start programming toolpaths, we are told that the bolt circle on the feet needs to be changed to have a chamfer on the top edge. The revised solid part shows how we want it to look in the end. To edit the holes, navigate to the Solids Manager and double-click on the simple 0.157 hole in the original part. This will open the same dialog that you would see if you were to create a hole for the first time. But now, this is changing the holes that have already been made. The first thing we need to add is a chamfer on the top of the hole. In Mastercam 2024, you have the option for both bottom and top edge treatments. Check the top edge treatment box near the bottom of the page. This will expand the dialog to show all the options for edge treatments, including the option to match top and bottom, which will make them both the same. You will notice you now have the option to either put a chamfer or a fillet on the edge, and if you select chamfer, you also now have the option to define the dimension by distance. We want to set the edge treatment to chamfer with a distance of 0.05 and an angle of 90. You will notice that the chamfer is on the wrong side of the hole. To fix this, we can use the new reverse hole option. Located in the plane orientation section, the reverse hole tool is the far right button with a blue and red double-sided arrow icon. This button will flip the direction of any through hole. Now that the hole is in the correct direction, we can see our chamfer on the top edge of the hole as we wanted originally. For edge treatments, I want to point out a couple specific cases. If you use a countersink type hole, you do not have the option for a top edge treatment. And if you use a taper hole type, then you cannot define a bottom edge treatment by using the diameter as a dimensioning method. With our hole all set, press OK to confirm the changes. The part will need to be regenerated to see the changes. Another new ability concerning solid holes in Mastercam 2024 is the ability to explode the hole operation. By right-clicking a solid hole operation, you can see the first option is Explode Hole Operation. Clicking this will divide the selected hole operation into individual holes. This could be used to make changes to specific holes rather than the entire group. Keep in mind, they cannot be regrouped once divided. The improvements to Solid Hole in Mastercam 2024 are perfect for making small alterations to the solid hole model and for programming toolpaths.